We're not on this frequency for New York to talk to New Jersey.
Hey, West Orange, New Jersey, what were your numbers? I missed that. Sorry about that. I'm trying to cut this up looking out of your those real fruits I guarantee you. Van Horn, good evening to you. Real high, good bird in Georgia. Got down.
Well, it's official. It's official.
Hey, boys, what are you doing? Trying to keep on Van Horn on the radio. We got a great big horn, but you come up in there and clean it up. Hey, Forge Horn, you say you're getting on your job. You're getting on your job. Well, I'm going to tell them what up. You can't stop the flock of the drop chicken.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's official. It's official. I got the Pistol Grip New York video gate rolling. It is now official. As of 10:20 Brooklyn, New York City time, your Pistol Grip 127 New York video gate is now rolling, and I'm back in the cut.
Hey, 127, I'm going to take your video game today. I'm going to take your video game today. I'm going to take a 5K show to the big boys of horror. Hey, 127, worldwide, Dirty Bird in the Pistol Grip gate. I got down.
Hey, Dirty Bird, while you dropping dirty turds, I need you to remember these gates are two-way. Hey, Dirty Bird, while you dropping them dirty turds, I need you to remember the video gate game is two-way like this radio I'm going.
Hey, 127, that's all you don't hear, man, for the big boys by now. Somebody better call the double doctor. Somebody needs a new deal. The goodies coming down, the birds are feeling real. Hey, 127, worldwide, Dirty Bird, the man with a guilty tail that gives the big boys down. But Dirty Bird got his mall way down, right about right there. Dirty Bird got down. Well, you're 20 years old, you don't make it, but you don't make it by me calling you. Hey, 20, you don't get your name card on the gate, but it ain't going to be you keying on nobody. It's going to be somebody trying to key on you. Hey, Forge 20, Dirty Bird in the back wheel. Bye. I'll see you. Bye. I'm looking for a fucking shockwave. Hey, Forge. this ground plane is gone. Shack. When I put it on the flat side, it's bye. Get that mother do a quick keying on me. Hey, 420, get that mother run a quick keying on me. I'm gone now. Hey, Apple Shack, why you sitting on back? Tell my little brother, good job this evening. Audio Kid is gone. Bye.
Audio Kid, why you making so much noise in my pistol video game? Hey, Audio Kid, why you making so much noise in my Brooklyn, New York video camera? 127 is gone.
I wasn't trying to make that much noise in the video game. I was just easing my way around the band. The kids reading the mail.
Well, in about a minute, I'm going to call you a fat rat. In a minute, I'm going to call you a fat rat, man, because you be slip-sliding almost every bar on this Bandcat. I said you be slip-sliding and gliding to the rack. I got to go.
I appreciate the flowers, but I'm going to ease this up because of wide to the side.
Let me turn the preamp off. Oh, I had the preamp on. I'm sorry, boys. The reason is because the relay on this driver sticks a little bit, so, you know, the preamp relay is messed up, so keeping it on is just an all-around better deal.
Well, 614, Audio Kid, while you reading the mail, I'm right back.
That's no preamp.
Hey, 614, taking me to take care of it, Danny Day Wave. Hey, 614, your Audio Kid in these Georgia woods is quiet. Sit down, God, knock him down, I'm fuck out. Shut down on the knocking down. I didn't say those go nowhere. I ain't going no damn where with you. I ain't going to shoot the ball. I ain't going no damn where with you. Yeah, I say you put a knock. I'm knocking down. I'm back out. Hey, 614, Mad Dog ain't gonna get a talk tonight. Hey, 614, Mad Dog ain't gonna be able to talk right now. He's got his lips cut off, bye. Man, no, shall work. Hey, 614, I'm gonna cut his lips off all night long. Hey, 614, I'm gonna make him turn his up-plugging radio off and go back and hide up under the porch. Audio Kid getting on down. Hey, 420, hey, 614, I'm gonna cut Mad Dog lips off all night. He down there working in stack sixes. Stack sixes down there in Alabama, and I'm gonna cut his head off all night long. Audio Kid in the Georgia woods getting on down. I'm gonna tell you, he's gonna have to take his stack sixes down. He's gonna have to put his 2 pieces of wire back up. He's gonna have to take his stack sixes down and put his 2 pieces of wire back up. Audio Kid got down. D.Bird got down. Hey, 420, where Mad Dog go, baby?
Mad Dog heard that Pistol Grip New York video gate was at 1127 in the video gate, and he said, uh-oh, time to go. Pistol busy, back at the cut, video gate rolling.
Hey, Pistol, I'm going to check that gate out, and I'm going to see if Mad Dog keyed on me with his stack sixes. Audio kid in the woods on his Dave main hammer getting down.
Well, I don't know. I'm busy in the cut over here. I got that spring cleaning going on, but I ain't heard him yet tonight. I have not heard him yet tonight. Maybe this camera can tell a different story. 127 back in the cut.
Stack sixes didn't work out too good.
What you got him stacked up on, man? What you got him stacked up on?
Got him stacked up on his back porch right now. He got his butt stacked up on his back porch. Bye.
Oh, that was... Alright, video game rolling.
Getting down.
Hello. I hear my boy today. I hear my Trinity and 9 operator today. 69 is in the house. I'm warming up.
New York City's #1 piece of shit just hit the bandwave. Here goes the video gate. We got the stupid bowl earplugger number 69 from Brooklyn, New York. Mr. Ghost talking, another that just likes to talk to the radio. Nobody talking back to him, or the radio not talking back, and there is no key, so he just want to do what he want to do. So, okay, we're going to sit back and let this Pistol Grip New York video gate rock on. Where we at, man? We in the 15-minute zone. 1519 as I go, the hole in the wall Sound King shop.
I know they're waiting for me. I bought it around the X-Run.
Hey, Channel 28 Good Time Gang, he says he knows y'all waiting for him. Hey, Channel 28 Good Time Gang, the stupid Bowls #1 earplugger in Brooklyn, New York City, says he knows the 28 Good Time Gang waiting for him. So let me see back and see who the hell gonna answer this clown.
Happy for boy City name call about 5 to 6 times today. And this morning, when I wake up, I turn the radio on. I hear him in there, and I see this is the first time I hear that guy ever try to call Skip. I might be wrong, but I'm so happy for him, man. 17 Chief, so he get a name called about 5 to 6 times. Well, if he can get a name called 5 to 6 times, I mean, what am I hesitating to try? To get my own call too? 69 around New York. 69 around New York, Brooklyn. Looking to see if I get my name called. 69 New York, Brooklyn. Looking to see if I get my name called, and I'm standing by. I'm warming up, I'm warming up, I'm warming up, I'm warming up. Shame on the mess. I'm really looking for the man that call of respect. Yep, respect. Yeah. I ain't nobody come out here up to now playing any recorded of him with all them nasty, dirty words. I never hear nobody come out and play that recording of him. But I hear people out here playing what friend we have in Jesus. Are you gonna run from that? Are you gonna keep away from that? Are you gonna criticize that? Yeah. Looking for a contact around the X-Lan and standing by. Say what? Say what? Say what? What channel is this? What channel is this?
That fucking ground plane is gonna be nasty up there, 100 foot, Ricochet. Ooh-wee.
Oh, somebody talking about antenna now. Somebody talking about antenna now. I'm looking for contact. I ain't here to talk about no antenna, no radio, nothing. I'm looking for contact.
What? You mean the Channel 28 Good Time Gang wasn't waiting for this clown? Nice.
Brooklyn, New York.
Guess none of them were waiting for you.
69 New York, warming up, warming up.
You warming up that squeal, if anything.
Gonna make it some more. That's what I can do. That's what I can do. I'm warming up, I'm warming up, I'm warming up.
He said that's all he can do. He said that's all his radio can do is squeal. It doesn't talk back to him because he talks to it. It doesn't talk back to him because he talks at it. He said that's all he can do is squeal. I guess he's the last to find out that dogs and pigs are really good friends anyway.
Lord of mercy. Woo! I don't gotta talk more than let them talk.
I'm gonna go get back to my spring cleaning over here. While old Limper Skitty boy there with the power and the capability and the ability and the capability and the capability and the ability to do what I got to figure out. But I do know one thing. I do know one thing for sure. My brother likes him. So, you know, unfortunately, when my eyes rest on his body, his silhouette has a big, great big, don't touch me bronze. I've been trained outline, so. But when that outline disappears, homie, I might indulge. And you better hope it never does.
Alright? Look around the X-Lan for contact. Show them that you're gonna get contact before you decide to leave here and go to a different channel.
He says, as sure as I'm going to decide, as sure as I'm going to get contact. I made plenty of contacts. I got the video game rolling for them guys, but he's going to come up here and swear that, you know, the whole world up here waiting for him, and he's going to try to do all that Channel 6 stupid bowl, anything goes type shit up here, and I'm going to sit back and enjoy listening that nobody in the Channel 28 Good Time Gang going to respond to this clown. He calls himself 69, Brooklyn, New York, and He spends hours and hours on the key warming it up, and it never seems to get warm. You're 127, beggar.
Side with it and go with it. Not 69. Not 69. Yeah, no. I warm it up. I warm it up. 69, New York, Brooklyn. It's good enough for them to put 69 on Facebook and YouTube 1,001 times. That's good enough. Make me on top. Make me in the Guinness Book of Records, man. Make me on the chart. Yeah, I don't look at those things. What I like to do is do what I'm doing right here. I ain't got no time to look at no bloody video gate for what, really? That's not what I buy my radio. When I bought my equipment, nothing like that was around. 69 New York. 69 New York. Brooklyn, I'm warming up. Keep my bloody welly hand off this microphone. That's what you can do. That's what you're supposed to do. But if you can't take it off, then you have a problem, not me. I enjoy doing it. 69 New York. About it around the X-Land. 69 Brooklyn, New York. Is warming up, looking for a condition around the X-Land. I'm standing by. What's going on around the X-Land? Let's go with it there. Any station, wherever you might be, whatever.
Hold the phone. This clown coming to video games saying he knows the 28 Good Time guy, he knows the people up here waving, and now he's crying out for any station. I swear I'm about to call this kid Homo Jr.
Whatever number you carry, can you hear 69 in Brooklyn, New York? 69 in Brooklyn, New York is warming up. I'm standing by for contact.
I thought all these people were out here waiting for you. What happened? Well, you know, I understand you want to make the chart or you want to make the book, but you don't want to go look at anything. But I want to thank you for shining up the last couple of minutes of my Brooklyn, New York video gate. The hole in the wall, non-Crooklyn, Brooklyn, New York, CB shot, pistol, go bang, I'm clear. I'm the king.